HP Enterprise is recruiting people for the role of they have given software development as well as quality assurance role. The package is 7 LPA. Let's see some of the about this company, and let's see what are the process and what will be the eligibility criteria to apply for this job role. First, they have mentioned about the company, and they have mentioned R&D intern convention, and the location given is Bangalore, Karnataka. HP, we bring together the brightest mind to create breakthrough technology solutions that advance the way people live and work. What setup sets us apart, our people and our relentless dedication to help our customers make their mark on the world. This is about their company, and they have given the job ID for the job role. Date posted is 15th 06 2021. The primary location given is Bangalore, Karnataka. Job categories graduate program and internships. They have given internships to R&D convention internships. Schedule full time, shift no premium shifts, and they have given the job description. HP is looking to recruit engineers directly from college campuses to work on software that is required for its products covering multiple domains in the areas of cloud. You will be they have given you will be like working in cloud, AI, ML, IoT, edge compute, security, operating systems, storage, networking, language compilers, manageability tools, databases. They are looking to hire people for these categories. First one is software development, responsible for designing and developing the codes for software. Quality assurance is responsible for developing functional endurance, stress, performance stresses, and test automation to support enterprise class supports and solutions. This is the job roles they have given. They have given the prerequisites: a graduate degree, BE or BTech, 2021 batch in circuit branches. The other requirements they have given are minimum CGPA of 70% aggregate, no active arrears, excellent communication skills, good problem solving and analytical skills, highly reliable self-starter with a can-do attitude, ability to think differently and quickly run with an idea, socialize the idea with a product stakeholder community and build a prototype and productize it, aggressively learn and adapt to new technology and process to keep up with the industry standards. HP is a equal opportunity, gives equal opportunities for employers, female, and they have given some information about it. After clicking apply now button, and there is one beautiful option here where you can select your category and country, state, city, and you can find other carriers too here. After clicking apply now button, you will be redirected to this workday page where you can create your account, and there will be some of the sessions. Like first session will be like uploading your resume, and second session will be like upload giving your personal details, and the third session will be of giving some whether you worked in any government jobs or in military services. They will be asking these questions, and at last you will be reviewing your application and you will be submitting. After submitting your application, you will receive a mail from HP, and no reply mail. In that mail they will be mentioning about the further process. You can follow with the mail. Let's see the package. According to Glassdoor, they have given the average HP software developers salary is 7 lakhs per employees with less than 1 year of experience to 10 years. That means they are giving 7 lakhs for the freshers, and the software developer salary at ranges between 3.7 lakhs to 14 lakhs. This is what the package they have given. All the best for your interview preparation.